Hi, I'm Chris with Crawl Space Door Systems. Today I want to talk about installing our Power Blade exhaust fan. Once you get your box, you should have a frame, a faceplate, a body, and mounting hardware. Once you've removed everything from the box, I like to go ahead and assemble the fan to make sure everything is there. Once I've assembled my fan and made sure everything is there, I go ahead and disassemble it again. Now I'm ready to install my fan. So once I've unassembled my fan, I take my frame that I'm going to mount against the foundation opening and the body of my fan, and I go ahead and put them together and push this against the house. That way I can go ahead and drill through my frame into my mortar joints, tap my anchors, and screw this frame in. Once my frame is mounted, my fan is pushed in, I'm ready for my last step. Take this faceplate and secure it to the frame. You should get 2 of these pins in your hardware package. Once your fan is assembled, your faceplate is secure, you want to go ahead and crawl into your crawl space, find your plug it into the outlet, turn your fan on. That's all there is to it.